A tree is only as strong as its roots. We at Kalpataru have not only lived by this age-old wisdom, but have also grown by it. Our strong roots, which first took ground close to 5 decades ago, have ensured the sustainability and quality of our growth. Mr. Mofatraj P. Mannod, a first-generation entrepreneur, founded the Kalpataru Group in 1969. Driven by a deep desire to create meaningful livelihoods for as many people as he could and an innate passion to excel. Kalpataru Power Transmission Limited was incepted in 1981. Our vision is to be the foremost global player in all the business verticals we operate in. We will achieve this by adhering to our values. We aim to serve and continually build our operational excellence in power infrastructure and asset creation with the highest ethical standards. Our principle of zero compromise persists in all of our business practices, making innovation and people development possible, and invariably resulting in projects that maximize customer satisfaction and match international standards. The values on which he established the company are business ethics, customer centricity, pride, quality, respect, and teamwork, which have helped KPTL transform into a multidisciplinary transnational conglomerate with footprints spanning over 42 countries. Leveraging a well-structured and diversified business expertise, KPTL is today a leading EPC player internationally. KPTL's manufacturing facilities at Gandhinagar and Raipur have an annual manufacturing capacity of over 180,000 metric ton per annum and cater to the exacting needs of global customers. ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified plants, contemporary machines for fabrication, state-of-the-art galvanizing units. We have one of the largest R&D centers for tower testing. Tested towers up to 1,200 kilovolts, 130 metric tons, 85-meter high tower. Capable of helicopter simulation test up to 85-meter tower. Tested over 350 towers for various domestic and international clients. Highly advanced strain gauges, smart control recording and monitoring system. Dedicated technical design team of over 100 professionals. KPTL has over 3 decades of experience in construction and laying of transmission lines, including extra high tension and high tension transmission lines and substation bays varying up to 800 or 1,200 kilovolts. The company has completed more than 17,500 kilometers length of transmission line contracts, which includes the toughest terrains like mountains, deserts, river crossing, etc. in various typical weather conditions of more than 42 countries in 5 continents. It is renowned for delivering to utmost satisfaction and trustworthy performance. KPTL undertakes EPC contracting for cross-country pipelines, terminals, plant pipeline projects and gas gathering stations for oil and gas sector across diverse territories. Company has constructed and commissioned more than 3,200 kilometer cross-country pipelines over 80 intermediate stations. KPTL is executing civil infrastructure, track laying, signalling and electrification projects for railways in India. The company has also executed an international turnkey project in Bangladesh. KPTL is capable of offering the entire range of services on a turnkey basis in the railway infrastructure projects globally. The service also includes civil infrastructures including earthworks, bridges, tunnels, station buildings and facilities, metro railways. KPTL has developed capability to execute high voltage substations, GIS and AIS, up to the highest voltage level. Capability also includes delivery of special substations for railways. The company has successfully executed complex projects in India and initiated projects in Afghanistan, Senegal, and Cameroon. Biomass power plants are an integral part of inclusive development at KPTL, as these projects generate rural employment as well as contribute positively to a greener environment by converting waste materials into clean energy. Kalpataru Power is one of the top companies around the globe. To get registered with UNFCCC in 2003 and has benefited from CERs generated from its Padampur plant in Sri Ganganagar district, followed up with another facility set up in Unniara in Tonk district of Rajasthan in 2006. KPTL has ventured into infrastructure development and civil contracting through its subsidiary JMC Projects India Limited, which is one of the leading civil contracting companies in India. It offers integrated solutions for factories, buildings, roads, flyovers, metro lines, stations, and water pipelines. The company has pan-India presence over 3 decades and now expanding into international markets. It's one of the few construction companies certified by globally renowned quality management institutions. Sri Shubham Logistics Limited, a subsidiary of KPTL, is one of the largest private warehousing and agri-logistics players. Company's comprehensive range of agri-logistics service offering include storage space, which includes a chain of dry and cold storage units, weighing facilities through electronic weigh bridges, testing and certification, fumigation, collateral management for commodity funding. Our strong fundamentals and visionary leadership have not only set the company on a steady course for sustained growth, but has also shielded it from the uncertainties of the markets. Augmenting this with an asserted sense of prioritizing and focusing on enhancing operational efficiencies, strengthening project management and adding to current capabilities, as well as developing newer ones, has resulted in a growth in key financial metrics. Central to Kalpataru's strong financial performance is an equally strong element: its people. It is our endeavor to build a culture of work towards achieving individual as well as organizational goals by developing people to create and nurture a competent, confident, and committed team. There is a continual effort to onboard, develop, motivate, and retain the best talent in the industry by applying accelerated leadership development processes. Kalpataru is a workplace where we nurture your individual goals and help you to build a career of your dreams. We do that by giving you exposure to innovative processes and management principles of global standards, by providing you stepping stones with each of our projects and involving learning of local working conditions, practices, and methods of international geographies, by making your professional milestones a core part of our journey to success. In our sustainability endeavors, we embrace and encompass inclusiveness of all stakeholders in our business, people, planet, and progress, and we aspire to be a great place to work. KPTL strongly believes that a successful and sustainable business is one that builds trust and consistently creates value for customers and society alike, balancing profitability with responsibilities towards the environment and communities within which it operates. Our community outreach initiatives span preventive healthcare, rural development and education. KPTL runs a specialty diagnostic and treatment center, Kalpaseva Arogya Kendra, in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. We are also actively involved with Rashtriya Netra Yagna intervention, which seeks to reduce avoidable blindness. sharing the power to bring about a positive change with every entity associated with it. KPTL is all set to bring about a better tomorrow, marked with a growth that is shared and sustainable.
Welcome to Kalpataru. We are today one of India's biggest infrastructure conglomerate with a stellar legacy spanning 5 decades. A legacy built on trust arising from shareholders' confidence and Kalpataru delivering their highest expectation. From their experience and with our value-based, our professional integrity, business transparency and fairness. From their acquaintance with our uncompromising attitude towards delivering on the quality promised each time. This has formed the bedrock of Kalpataru Group's successful expansion to a 10,000 crores corporation engaged in nation buildings in over 42 different countries. Today, Kalpataru Group companies qualitatively impact the life and times over 8,000 employees, several thousand partners, and countless millions in communities served by its product, services, and interventions across the globe. The world is changing at a pace like never before. To win this new environment, we strive to be at the forefront of change. We are adapting new technologies, new practices, and new way of thinking to ensure that our stakeholders continue to see us ultimate benchmark of what is possible. I welcome you to partner with us in our journey of growth and success. Thanks.
Kalpataru Power is one of the largest and fastest growing EPC companies engaged in power transmission and distribution, oil and gas pipeline, infrastructure development and railway projects. Our international transmission EPC business had footprints over 42 countries across the globe. Our vision is to become the global leader in EPC business across all verticals, which we will achieve by leveraging our strengths: quality execution, engineering expertise, automation, diversified portfolio, project management skills. At the heart of our effort is a strong talent pool, our workmen, our engineers and our managers, enabled by our professional culture of strong ethics, proactive engagement and customer centricity.
कल्पतरु है हम, शान से कहेंगे, कल्पतरु के अंग है हम, कदम कदम पर संग है हम, एकजुट होकर बढ़ेंगे आगे, इंद्रधनुष के रंग है हम।